Hey guys, I am in beautiful Barra on the beach here, and it's extremely crowded, and I'm just gonna give you guys a nice look here. It's not as crowded right here, but it will be in like 30 seconds. So enjoy the walk and see you later. I think every Brazilian is here today. Crazy. Every Brazilian in Rio, that is. As most of you know, today is a municipal holiday, so I think most of the city has a day off. And it's crazy. Super hot today as well. The other difficult thing about walking on the beach is that the sand gets extremely hot. A lot of women on the beach today too, absolutely. Insane. If you guys are liking the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Overall, I think Brazilians are okay with being filmed as long as you're not in their face, you know. If you get in their face, then, you know, I don't think anybody would like that. Just filming a walk. I wasn't gonna talk in this video, but I decided I'll do a little bit of chit-chatting, commentary. As I said, I think everybody who lives in Rio is at this beach. I don't know about Copacabana or Ipanema. I think those beaches are going to be crazy busy, much busier, as they're smaller beaches than Barra. It's a super hot day too. I'm one of the crazy ones to come out here and record. I'm thinking of actually, I'm still getting used to this camera, so it takes a while. But I think I got it. I just need to buy one of those lenses that basically makes it a little bit darker. Ball almost hit somebody. Let's just walk here on the little shore here. I don't know how long I'll walk, but I definitely will be taking a bath in the ocean. I should call my channel Nick Talks and Shows Brazil. super busy. Now it's getting really busy. What the hell is this? Some camel ride thing. Crazy. Dogfight. This beach is steamy and busy. It's hot in many ways, that's for sure. Everybody playing Altinho. I'm not sure how good the audio is on this camera without the microphone, but I think it's okay. My goodness. Just to show you guys what you're missing if you're living in a cold country. Canada had a record amount of snow for January 18th, I think it was. I think it was around 40 centimeters or more, I don't even know, but there was problems in Toronto at least. Pretty crazy. Let's see if we can get inside here. I think I have enough battery power to get through this. I'm hoping. At least today I got the sunscreen on. I need to get in the water soon, that's for sure. It's hot. I think the temperature today is about 35 Celsius. What is that, like 80, 88 Fahrenheit? Something like that. All I know is it's damn hot. Let's try and get back to the water. A lot of kids here today, which if you don't like kids, then might not be for you. Crazy. All I know is there's lots of eye candy for everybody. That's for sure. People watching. I don't even remember where I'm staying on the beach here. It's so busy and you can get a little lost sometimes. You have to use one of the landmarks to find where you're going. Otherwise, I don't think I've ever seen Baja this packed in my life. This is probably the first time I've seen it extremely packed. Because even in summertime, I don't think it's been this busy. have to be careful with this camera too because there's a lot of water. Oh, look. Check how many people are in the water. It's crazy. Check out what's in front of me. Honestly, guys, wherever you are, leave. That is if you like beaches and hot weather. Obviously, it's not for everyone. The water's even getting all the way out here. Crazy. The other thing I noticed is a lot of older women who are attractive here. I don't think that exists in Canada or the US. Or it does exist, but it's very rare. That's for sure. Very rare indeed. The water comes all the way out here. It's insane. I think the tide is just so powerful. Oh God. What I'd give to be single again. I'm still young. Anything is possible in this life. One thing that I can definitely say is that you gotta live this life. You only get one shot on this rock called Earth. If you don't do it, you're gonna get old and then regret and then be miserable until the end of your days. Like, who wants that? Not me. That's why I chose here. Even given all the difficulties in this country, it's still highly worth it. I don't know, a lot of challenges living here, that's for sure. A lot of challenges. But anybody can do it. If you really, really want to, anybody can do it. That's for sure. Sorry, just adjusting the camera there. The number one thing that I say if you're intending on living here, besides the finances, obviously got to get that in check, but it's the language. Super important to get down. Crazy how many. battery's almost over. I used the hell out of the camera today. Walk through here. Get back to my spot. Oh, when they're clapping like that, it means a lost child. And it's to like call the parents, you know, if they're looking for their kid. Just so you know, if you ever hear the clapping on the beach, that's the reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't really know how long it was, but we will catch you in the next one soon.
Oi, menina, tá ligado? Tudo bom? Olha só, gente.
Nope, can't go that way.
Torcida, torcida!